Namaste. The worst nightmare of any cancer patient is the disease recurrence, and Ayurveda can help you battle through this. Ayurveda emphasizes on a concept called Vyadhi Shamatva, which is aimed at restoring the balance in the body and to strengthen the natural defense mechanisms. It nourishes the mind, body, and soul, and thereby providing the optimal health to the individual. Now, this approach includes the personalized dietary recommendations based on the specific Agni of the individual, that is, the digestive power, and the specific type of cancer. Additionally, Panchkarma therapies are detoxifying procedures which helps to eliminate the accumulated toxins in the body and helps it to rejuvenate itself. Lifestyle modifications such as the stress management techniques, moderate exercises, adequate sleep, and a positive outlook are the integral part of the Ayurvedic interventions which help in cancer recurrence prevention. By addressing the root cause of the imbalance and by providing the overall well being to the individual, Ayurveda complements the modern cancer treatments, thereby providing a holistic approach to improve the quality of life of the patients and to reduce the risk of cancer recurrence. If you want to know more about Ayurveda's role in cancer recurrence prevention, join us on the free medical camp on 7th of April 2024 on the occasion of World Cancer Day at Dadar. The details are there in the caption below. Thank you.